Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the video source, local file, URL, or streaming app. Once done, open a subtitle tool that fits the source, a browser extension for web videos, or a transcription app for files. Make sure the speech-to-text language is set to English so accuracy improves. If the clip has multiple speakers, enable speaker separation or higher quality settings. Now upload or point the tool at the video and kick off the automatic transcription step to produce a draft caption track. Once the automated transcription finishes, download the SRT or VTT file and load it into a subtitle editor. You should correct timestamps and split long lines so they display two-line readable chunks. This improves comprehension. Make targeted text edits. Fix homophones, punctuation, and speaker names, and shorten captions that exceed reading speed. If you need translated English variants, run translation after cleaning the transcript. Finally, save a version copy so you can revert if timings shift during export. Now attach the subtitle file to your player or hardcode captions into the video using a tool like FFmpeg. Hardcoding guarantees visibility across devices. Test playback on phone, tablet, and desktop, and check font size, color contrast, and timing. If lines appear off by a second or two, apply a uniform timestamp shift in your editor. When speech is misrecognized, improve audio quality or rerun the transcription with noise reduction enabled. Troubleshoot by resyncing timestamps or replacing ASR.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.